Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So, Uttarakhand Public Service Commission has issued this notification regarding the vacancies for Assistant Prosecution Officer 2021. So, there will be total 63 vacancies, out of which 31 is for the general category, 13 is for the ST category of the SC category of Uttarakhand, and one is for the ST category of the Uttarakhand state, and 12 is for the other backward classes, and 6 is for the uh, economically weaker section. Now, out of this 31 for general, 9 are reserved for women of Uttarakhand, okay, and 17 is for general. So if you are if you belong to a general category and you are not resident in Uttarakhand, then you will be competing for these 17 seats, okay. Now, talking about the date, the last date for online application is 23rd of August 2021, and for the payment of fee it's the same date, 23rd of August. The eligibility criteria is you need to have a law degree, okay. It could be either a LLB degree or a BLLB degree, and apart from that, if you have served for 2 years in Indian Army, or if you have a NCC B certificate, then you will be given preference, okay. Minimum age is 21 and maximum is 42. The application fee for the general category is 176.55. Now, talking about the center, so they have given options and you have to choose from the following options to there are total 6 cities that they have given for your examination purposes: Haldwani, Haridwar, Dehradun, Srinagar, Almora, and Udham Singh Nagar. So while filling the online application, you have to choose your center preference. Now, coming to the most important thing, the syllabus. So there will be 3 phases. First is the preliminary phase, then the mains examination, and then finally interview. The preliminary examination would be of 200 marks, and 100 marks for the general studies paper and 100 for the law paper. Both the paper will be for 1.5 hour. अब इन्होंने यहाँ पे छोटा सा एक नोट दिया है कि प्रीलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन विल बी कंडक्टेड ओनली इफ़ द नंबर ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस विल बी हाई, अदरवाइज ओनली मेंस एग्जामिनेशन विल बी कंडक्टेड, बट इट विल बी कंडक्टेड एनी हाउ बिकॉज वी नो हाउ much people are waiting for the vacancies and a lot of people are going to appear for the same. So talking about the main paper syllabus, so you'll be having a total of 4 papers. Maximum marks would be 400, 100 for general studies, 100 for Hindi, and 100 for criminal law and procedure with police act, and 100 for evidence act. Time allotted is 3 hours, and they have also given the number of questions that would be asked, and this is the level of questions. Also, in Hindi you have to score minimum 35 marks, okay. Now 50 marks would be for the interview. So the total number from which the merit list for the final merit list will be prepared would be of 450 marks. Now quickly see the detailed syllabus. Now this is the best part of any examination, where they tell you what to study and what not to study. Not all the states are kind enough to tell you that. So for preliminary examination for GK, you have to study general science, current events, national international history of India, Indian national movement, Indian polity, geography, Indian economy, art, culture, tradition of Uttarakhand, revenue, police system, general administrative setup in Uttarakhand, forest, crops, tribes, mountain, rivers of Uttarakhand. So you need to have a general awareness of the Uttarakhand state as well, apart from the national awareness, okay, awareness regarding the national topics. Now, questions on general science will be elementary knowledge and understanding of science, including matters of everyday observation, experience, basic laws, this and that. Current events is day-to-day happening in India and around the world, so this is current affair. History of India would be on social, economic, and political aspect of India, Indian national movement, Indian polity, post-independence, geography and economy, culture and tradition of Uttarakhand, revenue, police and administrative system. There you have to study the power and functions of patwaris, kanun goes, naib tehsildar, etc. Panchayati Raj system, one panchayat system. Candidate should be aware of types of forest, rotation of crop, cultural festival. So you find it in any, I guess, store, bookstore, you will ask them if they have any book on Uttarakhand general knowledge, specifically on Uttarakhand general knowledge. They'll provide you with that, or you might find it on YouTube as well. There must be numerous channels which would be teaching this by now. And for general knowledge, for this history of India and Indian national movement and all this stuff, you can refer to Lucent. That's an excellent book for judiciary. Apart from that, nothing else is required. Now for law paper, you have IPC. 35 questions will be asked from the IPC, 25 from Indian Evidence Act, 25 from CRPC, and 15 from Uttarakhand Police Act, total 100. IPC, now they have also told what you have to study in IPC. See, this is the best part about Uttarakhand, that they tell you कि इतना ही पढ़ना है, इसके अलावा मेहनत करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. तो IPC में you have to study the general exceptions, joint and constructive liability, abatement, conspiracy, public tranquility, offences against human body, which will include the culpable homicide, murder, including causing death by negligence, hurt and grievous hurt, wrongful restraint, confinement, criminal force and assault, kidnapping and abduction, offences against women, sexual offence, offence relating to marriage, cruelty by husband or relative of husband, insult to modesty of a woman and dowry death, against property, theft, extortion, dacoity, robbery, criminal misappropriation, cheating, mischief and criminal trespass, attempt to commit offence. For Evidence Act, you have to learn the relevancy of fact, the definition, relevancy of fact, admission, confession, time declaration, opinion of third person when relevant, fact which need not be proved, oral and documentary evidences, exclusion of oral by documentary evidences, public document, presumption as to document, production and effect of evidence, burden of proof, estoppel, witness, including their examination. Very precise. CRPC, constitution, power and jurisdiction of criminal code, arrest, power to compel appearance of person, production of thing, maintenance of public order, public tranquility, initiation and commencement of the proceeding before magistrate, framing of charge, trial of cases, judgment, evidence in inquiries and trials, bails and bonds, reference, revision, appeal. For Uttarakhand Police Act, you have to study the power and function and duties of the various police officers. So basically for Police Act, you have to read each and everything. Now the syllabus for the main, again they have bifurcated every subject and they have told you in clear terms what you have to study, what particular things that you have to study. Now see that you need to learn computer as well for mains, basic knowledge of computer and its application, and cyber crimes. Cyber crimes, not, you need not to go through all the acts which have been made, but a brief knowledge of every subject. Okay, now this is the syllabus for Hindi. For Hindi, I would suggest you to refer to this channel called Study for Civil Services. This is by I guess Gyan Prakash Mishra is the channel owner, and they have this ROARO series for Hindi, so you can refer to that series for covering Hindi. Okay, for any competitive examination, if judicial competitive examination, you can refer to that. Okay, now this is Criminal Law and Procedure Police Act. Again they have told you what to study and how much marks will be allotted to these subjects, so you can go through it. There's no point of blabbering it around here. Personality test, 50 marks. Then this is not relevant for the outside people. So yeah, that's it. And if you have any question regarding this, if you have any query, if you want any suggestions, please do write it in the comment section below. I'd love to answer that. Thank you so much.